guys, so today's video is actually a bullet journaling video, and I wanted to make a bullet journaling video because I love watching these. Literally one time me and Reagan and Ariana had a sleepover and we literally just watched bullet journaling videos for hours and it was so much fun. We were all like, we're gonna start them, and I was like, okay, I actually want to start one. And I've been wanting to start one forever. I watch all of Adeline Morin's videos on them. I watch all of Haley Fam's videos on them. I love Amanda Rachel Lee's videos. They're so good. And I was like, this is going to be the year that I do it. This is going to be the month that I do it. I'm going to do it. And it's already halfway into the month. Don't think that I'm just posting this literally 3 weeks late. No. It currently, as I'm filming this, it is the 20th. I know. But I wanted to do it because I want to be held accountable for doing my bullet journals each month. So basically, I'm posting this so that I can get into a cycle of doing it and I can force myself to do it. But basically, this is my journal that I have. So far, I have like March 2019 because I started this actually at the beginning of March. I wrote down all these video ideas that this YouTuber Arlen Moore gave in one of his videos. I'm doing an experiment on my dreams, so I have that here. And then I have my sub count, and then the videos I've posted this month. I haven't filled these in yet, but I mean I haven't like posted any videos this month, so I'm sorry about that. My gratitude list, I'm not going to show you guys that because you might be on it, I don't know. And then I have a little to-do list of everything that I needed to do. And then I have this section called Pinterest pics, and I want to, basically you can just flip through these and they're all pictures that I want to recreate. So I've recreated a few so far, so I just put, this is the Pinterest version, and then I put my version, Pinterest version, my version, and I just switch them up a little bit. I did that one, I just need to take a picture of it, and then I did these two the other night. I just need to print them out and put them in here. I have a little thing of when it was completed by, and basically all of this I used the pink and green theme. But then when I started my March bullet journal, I didn't really have a theme. I didn't have any thoughts going into it. I just decided that I would make one, and so I just kind of sent it. I winged it, as Reagan Neves would say. If you don't wing it, you can't fly. So that's exactly what we did. I started off by just doing this little March cover page, and I'm not mad about the way it turned out, but I don't think that it goes with the rest. But it's not horrible. Here's my little layout spread for the whole month, and it just says March. This one's honestly not that bad. I feel like I'm just going to be criticizing everything, but it's really not that bad. It just doesn't flow together. But I'm really excited because I want to keep doing these and hopefully do them my whole YouTube career so that I can stay, organized and focused. And I think it'll be really cool to see this bullet journal, my first ever, and then see in a few years how much improvement I've shown, because I know it'll be a lot because this is really bad. So this is a good first one because I'll just show so much improvement. And then I really like this page because it's just really simple, March goals and then video ideas. I haven't filled them out yet, but I know what my March goals are. I just need to write them down. Here's my weekly spread. I just did days of the week, but I started my week on Monday. And then I have my weekly goal at the bottom, and I stopped putting the weekly goals on some of these. None of my weekly spreads are the same, which is fine. I don't really care, but I know if you're one of those people who watches bullet journal videos all the time, this might upset you, but it doesn't really affect me because I'm not that much of a perfectionist. So then this is the next one, and I was just trying out different things to see what I liked best. Eventually I got to this, and I thought that this looked cute, so I did the rest of them like this. And this is actually the week that we're on right now. It is currently Wednesday. And Pretty Little Liars, The Perfectionist airs tonight, and we're having a watch party with my friends, and I'm so excited. And then I have this week, and then I have my March recap. I love doing one of these every single month. Even though I haven't done a bullet journal in the past, I've done these recaps, and I basically just write everything I did, all the fun memories from this month, all the times I cried, all of the times I laughed. And then we have something for our next month plans. This could be video ideas, things I want to do, pictures I want to take, stuff like that, and then a little gratitude list of things I'm grateful for this month. And then I just ended it on this thing that says love everyone, and that's been something that I've really been trying to do lately. I've really been thinking about it a lot, to love everyone and to just respect everyone and be kind to everyone. Even if you don't get along with them, you just need to love and respect them. And then I thought I was going to be done, but I've been having some crazy dreams this month, so I wanted to add in a little section to write down my dreams and just kind of summarize them. So I added that, and that is the last page in my March bullet journal spread. I really hope that you guys liked this bullet journal video. I I just can't wait for my future bullet journaling videos. They're gonna be so good. Like, I'm just thinking in my head of different themes I can do and how to make them cute, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. This is gonna be great, guys. This is gonna be a great journey that we're gonna take together, and I'm so excited. Like, let's do it. And if you've been debating on whether or not to start a bullet journal, just do it. Let's freaking become bullet journal besties. Oh my gosh, wow, let's do it! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys liked my bullet journal. Please do not be very critical. This is the first one I've ever done, and it's not that bad for the first one. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite page of my bullet journal was, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!